Hello guys, this is Money Grind here. So last week we mentioned that Polkadot is trending down after breaking out from its descending triangle, and there is a possibility that Solana will be going up due to a possible head and shoulder formation. So let's do a quick update since last week. Enjoy! So first, let's jump into Polkadot. So last week we are here, and here we can see that since the price breakdown from this resistance line last week, the price has been steadily climbing, but it hit this resistance line and wasn't able to penetrate the line and starting to trend down from here. So however, we do need to note that during the downtrend, the volume is on the light side. So this suggests that the bears might not be strong enough to push the price further down. Also, if we look at the RSI indicator, we can see that since hitting this resistance line, the trend has turned from being bearish to bullish, and as we can see from here, so currently the short-term RSI is above the medium-term and long-term RSI. So this suggests that the short-term trend is bullish currently, and we can see that the price is actually accelerating upward for short term. So this is definitely a good sign that the market may be turning bullish from here on. Also, if we look at our MACD indicator here, so we can see that the MACD line is trending upward already, so it is nearing its signal line and maybe about to cross over its signal line. So there's a sign that the MACD line is turning bullish here also. And if we look at the signal line and MACD line, so we can see that it is actually below the zero level. So the MACD line is still currently at the oversold territory. So this is same as last week. So this definitely creates a buying pressure that could push the price upward. Whether the upward pressure is strong enough to push this price over this resistance line, we are not sure yet, but definitely there's a chance that the price could go up from here. But we do need to caution that currently, so we are still below this resistance line. So definitely the overall situation is still bearish at the moment. But just keep in mind that there's a possibility that the market might turn and trend upward from here on, judging from the signs that we can glean from our indicator here. So that being said, let's jump into Solana. So last week we were here, so we can see that there's a possible formation of head and shoulder, and I did say that the price might be going down if it managed to break this neckline or support line. But since then, we can see that the trend actually follows its last price action. So as at our last price action here, we can see that we have a small head and shoulder here, and after hitting this support line, the trend bounces off from this support line and continue to trend upward. So currently, if we look at our current head and shoulder, possible, I mean, it's a whipsaw now, but last week it is definitely a possibility. So here is where we were last week, and since then the price bounces off from this neckline and continue upwards. So definitely we are having a repeat from our past price action here. So judging from the current trend is definitely bullish now. So instead of going down, it's going up. So if we look at the trading volume, we can actually get a confirmation that the bulls are the stronger one here, because if you can see that during our uptrend, the uptrend trading volume is actually increasing during our slight retracement here. So we can see that the bears is actually very weak here and didn't have enough strength to push the price down. So definitely the bulls are strong here, and the market is definitely on the uptrend now. This is supported in the RSI also. So if we look at our RSI here, so we can see that since bouncing off from the neckline, the short-term RSI flips the medium-term and long-term RSI. So this suggests that short-term wise, the market is bullish. And if we look at our last price action, so here after the price bounces off from the neckline, so we can see that the short-term trend also crosses above the medium term and long term RSI. So definitely we are having a repeat from our last price action here. So if everything goes well, we should see a rise in the price action from here on. How much the price will rise, we wouldn't know, but we can always project a price objective from our last uptrend. So if we project our price objective, we can see the possible increase in price to about $270 to $300 level. And if we look at our MACD indicator, so we can see that since our bounce last week, the MACD indicator has started to taper off and currently is about to cross our signal line here. So this suggests that the trend is definitely turning bullish, and we should be entering a new bull trend from now on. And the MACD line is also rose a bit since last week, so we are nearing the zero level now, but I would say that we are still in a oversold territory, so definitely there's a buying pressure here to push the price further up. So in conclusion, I would say that for Polkadot, the current trend is definitely bearish, but we are seeing signs that the price action is about to go up. And for Solana, we are definitely in a new bull trend now, and the price should continue to trend upward to our price objective at around $270 to $300. So that would be all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I was making it. Please subscribe and smash the like button if you find value in this video. Do leave us a comment down below if you have any other topics or coin that you would like us to cover, and we may cover it in the next video. So cheers, and until next time!